Hey guys, I'm back with another edition of your Monday market update. I am super excited to report to you guys for the first time this year, inventory rose just a bit from the week before. So currently 58 active listings on market in comparison to 56 the week before. Still super low numbers, however, to see that number rise for once was a really great sign. Average list price dropped just a hair to $239 in comparison to $246 the week before. However, for our area, those average list prices are fantastic. We had 13 new listings hit market, 97 pending. That number's continued to rise each week, which is great if you're a seller. And then we had 7 sales last week in comparison to 13 the week before. So the same scenario is still happening each week. They're listing, they're pending, things are going quickly, if they're priced right, of course. Something I want to point out that if you are a seller and it is a seller's market, as I've mentioned, your homes are going to go quickly. However, pricing is still key, so something to keep in mind. And then days on market went down drastically to 65, which was the best we've seen since the beginning of the year. So overall, still remaining a seller's market. If you're out there and you're thinking about selling, homes are selling quickly, prices are up, days on market are down. However, keep in mind, like I mentioned before, if you are a buyer, it is still a good time to buy with rates being low. And of course, the Tomlinson Group has a fantastic group of buyers agents that can always assist you guys. We're going to be there for you every step of the way and be able to get you into those homes ASAP. So for more information, or if you need any assistance with your real estate needs, always feel free to reach out to us. You can send us a message, shoot us a text or an email. We're always happy and here to help.